Welcome to Mini Binz, your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Beamsville, Ontario. Whether you're cleaning out your garage or tackling a major renovation, Mini Binz has the perfect waste disposal solution. At Mini Binz, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes designed to fit any project, big or small. Our efficient dumpster rental services ensure your space stays clean and clutter-free, with quick delivery and pickup options. Quality is at the heart of what we do at Mini Binz. We take pride in providing clean, well-maintained dumpsters always delivered on time. Our team at Mini Binz is dedicated to making your dumpster rental experience smooth and hassle-free. From selecting the right bin size to coordinating delivery, we're here to help. As a local business, Mini Binz understands the needs of the Beamsville community. We are committed to providing reliable, affordable dumpster rentals that help keep our neighborhoods clean. Mini Binz offers flexible rental periods that fit your project schedule, no matter how tight. With easy online booking and prompt service, renting a dumpster has never been more convenient. Ready to rent a dumpster? Call us at 905-378-3381 or visit our website at www.minibinz.ca. Dumpster Rental Beamsville ON to get started. Mini Binz, your trusted partner for fast, reliable dumpster rental in Beamsville, Ontario.